Hello everyone, I'd like to talk about cardio today, or cardiovascular exercise, something that trains the heart and lungs. I like to look at an exercise regime as a tripod of activities. So you have something for flexibility, mobility and joint health, and there is nothing better than yoga for this. Then something that strengthens and shapes the body, and that's where progressive resistance or weight training comes in, and an activity which improves heart and lung fitness. To train the heart and respiratory system, an activity needs to raise your heartbeat to a certain level of beats per minute and sustain this for a period of time. An ideal cardio exercise or activity is one that you enjoy. That way you're going to keep doing that activity. Choose from games or sports or activities that lift your heart rate for sustained periods of time. Examples include running, jogging, swimming, cycling, activities which require fairly constant movement without long or frequent rest periods. Now, from what we have done already in this workshop, you have enough. You have all the tools to put together a complete exercise regime. If you start by scheduling the resistance training, because this requires certain periods of rest between training different muscle groups, keep in mind it's okay to stretch the body every day and always warm up thoroughly and add resistance levels or levels of difficulty gradually. An example could be Monday, weight train, Tuesday, yoga, Thursday, weight train, Friday, yoga, Saturday, some cardio, and then rest for a day before you repeat the cycle. Another way of doing it is splitting up the weight training into different muscle groups. So you could train the upper body one day, the other half the other day, and then intersperse that with yoga and cardio. The task for today is to draw up your own exercise schedule, planning the days and the times that work for you. You don't have to do any particular time, as in it doesn't have to be an hour or more than that. Do whatever time you have, whether it's 10, 15, 20 minutes or more. Send me your plan and I am more than happy to help with it. So best of luck with that, and I shall talk to you soon. Bye-bye.